Bronchonil syrup clears bronchial airway.
When you get a patient complaining of breathlessness, wheezing, cough, chest congestion,
then there is need for powerful bronchodilator, mucolytic and expectorant. The current management provides short-term symptomatic relief and possesses side effects as tremors, palpitations
and dosage dependency, etc.
Presenting Bronchonil syrup clears bronchial airway.
It contains herbs like Kakadshingi, Bharangi, Ringani, Pushkarmul, Trifala, Trikatu and Sendhav. It's a well-trusted formulation from centuries
By the name
Shrungadi Yoga, which relieves the congestion. Bronchonil syrup is useful in chronic asthma, COPD, bronchial asthma, acute and chronic sinusitis, otitis media and otitis interna.
it corrects the recurrent respiratory tract infection associated with congestion.
Removes the chronic cough with expectoration.
An excellent bronchodilator, mucolytic and expectorant.
Strengthens the respiratory system. Available in syrup and tablet form. Dosage of the syrup is 5 to 10 ml thrice a day or 1 to 2 tablets twice a day. Bronchonil syrup
Clears bronchial airway.